Hello, my name is Thomas and today I'll show you how to do a task tracker in Excel. This task tracker is going to be a list of tasks uh, that a manager assistant in a shipment company normally does. So this task tracker is going to help this person to maintain all these activities organized. We're going to What we're going to do is to do the list over here, add some checkboxes. It's going to have a line chart and some KPIs. Well, to do that, we're going to start writing a date. Let's say it's going to be the 1st of December of 2025. And right here, we're going to start writing the list of tasks. I have the list here. Um, let's say we are going to number the days. Is going to be for 21 days. We can use the sequence function. And here we are going to mm, write the weekdays. To do that, first of all, we need to link this cell with this date. We have the dates here. Now we need to transform all these dates in weekdays. There you go. Now I'm going to start. I'm going to insert the checkboxes. Here is going to, well, this space I'm going to use it to put the number of weeks. This one is going to be the first week. This is the second week. And this is the third one. I'm going to change the width of the columns. I think it looks a little bit better. Well, now that we have the main body of the task tracker, we're going to start doing some calculations. In this area, I'm going to use it to calculate the number of activities that are done in one day. And here, in this part, I'm going to use it to calculate the number of days where one specific activity is done. So, for example, if in this period of days, this activity, that is the marketing reports, how many times has been done during these 21 days? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it should have the number 6 here. And here, how many activities has been done in this day on Monday, for example, 1, 2, 3. So it should have the number 3 here. Now we're going to start with the calculations. This is going to be the activities or tasks. To do that, we're going to use the COUNTIF function. So 3 activities. Cool. We're going to also get a percentage out of this. Well, to calculate the percentage is just a division between 3 and the quantity of cell here. Here we're just gonna give it a percentage format, and that's it. Cool. This is totally dynamic, so every time we check a box, all the values are going to change. As I told you, I'm going to calculate here the number of days. For this, I'm gonna use again the COUNTIF function. Um, for this, I decided to have a visual instead of just regular numbers. To do that, I'm going to use a character. I'm going to use this character. This one. Normally is located in the left up side of your keyboard. Let's say I'm going to repeat this character. Well, the times that is going to repeat is going to be this one. So to make it look better, we can give it some format. For this, we can change the font. I believe the name of this is Playbill. Yes, Playbill. And to make the visual a little bit bigger, I think we can just multiply this value by 4. I'm going to change the color of this. Yeah, I think it looks better in this way. So now that we have the basic calculations, we are ready to start working on the line chart and the KPIs. Well, I'm going to start with the line charts. So once we have the line chart, I think we can give it a little bit of format. For example, I don't need the title. I don't need these lines. Not outline. Well, I think it looks a little bit better, but we can't improve this. Hmm, I'm gonna get rid. I'm gonna get rid of the this white fill. Finally, we got rid of the white fill. Um, I think looks a little bit nicer, but I don't like this. The line for me is a little bit too spiky, so we can change that. Here there's an option, a smoothed line. So this line chart react to the checkboxes. So everything is dynamic. I think we can change this up to 100%. Cool, let's gonna fill this line and everything is going to change. Now we are ready to start working on our KPIs. Here we're going to write the tasks that has been done with the most frequency. In order to get that, we're going to use two functions. The first one is going to be the max function, and we're gonna get the data from here. And now we're going to use the XLOOKUP function. This is our first array, and this is going to be our return array. So sales report is the task that has been done with most frequency, and here I think is going to be the task that has done with the least frequency. Least frequency task. To get this is almost the same formula, but instead of max we are using the minimum. And here we're going to use the XLOOKUP again. Cool. This is the least frequency task to monitor delivery statuses. In this area, I'm going to write KPIs based on the busiest days. Uh, the days where all these tasks have been covered at 100%. And here I'm going to write the days where all these tasks have been covered at least the 50% of them. And here all the days where none of these tasks have been done, the 0%. Well, yeah, to get the information, we can use the COUNTIF function again. Our range is going to be this one, and the criteria 100%. So it gives us 0 days. This is totally dynamic, so if we check this box, we discover that we have at least one day where all these activities have been done. And the same, and we're going to use the same formula here. Let's say greater or equal to 50%. Well, at least 3 days where all these tasks have been done, at least 50% cover. And well, the days where none of these activities have been done. Yeah, the formula is right. So as you can see, there's one day where none of these tasks have been done. So I think we have everything. We cover everything, and as I said, everything is totally dynamic. Every time you mark a checkbox, all the information is changing. What I'm going to do now is to make this make all this to look a little bit better given some formats. I forgot to write the word days next to the numbers. There's a way to do it, just giving some format to this cell with control 1, I'm going to custom, and here we're just going to write the hashtags. I believe days. Cool. Now we're just gonna copy the format. I think we almost done. We don't need to see this. I'm going to get rid of these grid lines. We're going to view and the grid lines, and that's it. That's our task tracker for a manager assistant. So I hope you like it. You can use this task tracker to track any other activity you may have on your daily life, also your habits or your uh, professional or personal projects. So anyways, thank you very much for watching the video and see you next time. Bye.